Beneath your feet, right now, there's a hidden world, alive with movement, organization, and purpose. Not aliens, not machines. Ants, thousands, maybe millions, living in a vast underground empire. An ant colony is a masterpiece of natural engineering. It starts with a single queen, digging the first chamber. But as the colony grows, so does the complexity. Chambers for eggs, tunnels for transport, vaults for food, even garbage dumps. Some super colonies stretch for meters beneath the surface, with hundreds of thousands of ants working in perfect sync.
So what are ants actually doing down there all day? Workers care for the queen and her eggs, moving them constantly to keep the perfect temperature and humidity. And let's not forget the soldiers, stationed at entrances, ready to fight off intruders at any cost. In this tiny society, every ant has a role. The queen lays the eggs, workers raise the young, gather food, build tunnels. Soldiers guard and protect, and some species even have farmer ants that grow fungus for food, or slave maker ants that steal from other colonies. No talking, no texting. So how do ants coordinate all this? Pheromones, chemical signals that guide others. Follow this trail, food over here, danger ahead. We walk above them every day, unaware. But ants, they're running cities below our shoes. Complex, clean, efficient, and thousands of years in the making. So the next time you spot a tiny ant on the sidewalk, remember that little creature might be heading home to a kingdom you've never seen. Want to uncover more hidden worlds? Like, comment, and subscribe for more AI-powered adventures into the unseen side of nature.